So, sir, these are the patrol cars of Davao Oriental.
Level sir, inyo POCG, transmitting here, Dopo, PHQ, Barangay Daikan, City of Pati, over.
Namamatay, babagsak ang signal ng Oriental. Nagda-drop. Oh, nag-brown out. Yung medyo malayo-layo, sir. Medyo isolated na konti na probinsya, sir. Any province, sir? Oriental. Oriental is buffer. Jubilee proceeding to buffer. Oriental. Buffer? Buffer base, Kaiser 6. Buffer base, Kaiser 6.
Sir, this is Buffer, sir. Good morning.
Just for the record, buffer, state your name and location.
Sir, level sir, inyo POCG, into zero, transmitting here, Dopo, PHQ, Barangay Daikan, City of Pati, over.
Tango, standby. So, sir, these are the patrol cars of Davao Oriental. Can you choose one, sir? Buffer, Oriental. Oh, bigla naman tayo ang zoom. Buffer. Open zoom ang Anydesk. Yan, open. Sige, sir. Can you choose one patrol car, sir? Sa ating... Yan, sir. Pwede kayong... Lahat ang mga patrol car niyan, sir. So, any patrol car in particular that you want to call, natatawagan natin dito, sir, yan.